Thank you very much, especially for raising the expectations so high that almost nobody can meet them. Yeah, and I'd like to welcome all of you that were so clever to prefer a scientific presentation to a nice afternoon at Rome. So thank you very much for attending here, for being here. Yes, and I want to talk about machine learning approaches supporting and not supporting sports practice. And the first question is, of course, how dare I to do that, right? Because I'm not a computer scientist. Yeah, and if you expect some programming tricks and hints for great libraries, yeah, this is the wrong presentation. My perspective is that I want to define or find out when does it really make sense to make use of machine learning for our purpose that we have in sports and sports science and sports practice. Yeah, and this is my program. Accordingly, I want to start with some actual tendencies that speak for the use of machine learning in sports. And then I want to make clear that in my eyes, machine learning could be a king's road for us to go. Then I want to distinguish classes of machine learning that we find in sports, yeah, different ways how we use it in sports. And then I want also to go into what I call blind alleys, yeah, things you have to avoid if you want to be successful in making use of machine learning approaches, and some take-home messages. Okay. Actual tendencies, I mean, all of you know that. I want to collect these things for making clear the impact, the potential impact of machine learning. We know that professional sports employ big staffs of specialists. Here is FC Liverpool. Their staff, they published in the internet, and you see many departments, many specialists. Yeah, and the red frames are around the analytics departments. They have many of them, as is typical for professional football clubs. And they, of course, deal with a large amount of data, especially. And then we must see that the sports practice has evolved more and more into a big data situation. And this leads to the suggestion that we treat as a club, for example, like a medium-sized business or company. And, for example, we suggested to support sports clubs or federations with what we call club information system. This is the architecture, and here you see the departments that have a specific